right, let's take a look at these table games, shall we? $15 on live craps.
So far, $15 is the lowest minimum on any of these tables. 15. Almost all the blackjacks are 15. Now there was some lower limits on the poker at the tables, like the 3-card and the Mississippi Mud. And again, this roulette table is not putting the number up. I'm going to find out. Pretty sure the roulette is $5 because it's got 3 tables going now, and normally if it was more than that, you wouldn't get that much attention.
I don't know why they don't put the numbers out for roulette, so I'm not sure about roulette. Okay, they have $15 blackjack, $15 live craps. And now I'm going to have to figure out what this roulette is. Okay, I had to ask, and you know I don't like to ask. I like to find out for myself. $5 roulette, 24/7, so I don't have to ask. So roulette is low minimum, but that's it. Now, they do have shoot to win craps at $1. And they are one of 4 places that have $1 shoot to win in probably the whole state of Nevada. Nevada. So the shoot to win is over here. Well, it's a good ways from where I'm walking, so let me turn this off and we'll turn it back on. Okay, the shoot to win is right in front of the escalators that take you up to the movies. Right there. It's $1. That's the greatest game in Vegas, in my opinion, shoot to win, especially when it's $1. The other places you can get $1 shoot to win, believe it or not.
Okay, it is Plaza downtown, Resorts World on the Strip, where we are right now, Orleans, and in Laughlin at the Golden Nugget. That's it for the whole state of Nevada for $1 shoot to win. There are a few at $2 and then a lot at $5. Seems like there's no $3 or $4.